Violence in the name of religion to take revenge, it is becoming a regular occurrence. And these forces which are acting, they need to be, strict actions be taken against them. We need to nab the culprits. I'm very confident police will nab the culprits, but we have to ensure that this atmosphere of hatred that is being built up, that has to be controlled now. We cannot let this go any further. And we need to take some very strong measures, and that is what we are discussing. We'll be again discussing with Chief Minister later on. And what steps to be taken shortly we will be announcing. My appeal is that, this violence is not good for anybody. And using religion to kill innocent people. This Abdul Rahim is an innocent man who had no criminal record, no track record. He's a well respected amongst the people. And someone, just for the sake of revenge, just for the sake of, wanting to prove that we will not leave you, you go and kill somebody like this? What kind of humanity? Is this humanity? So the Abdul Rahim was a very, not a small black mark against him. And he has been murdered brutally. And more people they wanted to kill, not just one person. So this shows what is happening to the mindset of these people. And we have to tackle that also. One is we have to take strict action as per law. Second thing, we have to also build up trust and friendship between societies. So we need to do both together, hand in hand. So we will be evolving we'll be taking further decisions shortly. And I'll also be going to Mangalore and we'll be discussing with them.